How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday. Where on Sundays, I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Addington. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with a all-new cottage by the name of the Addington. For all of you who have been hitting me up saying, Mr. Tiny, bring another two-bedroom with the porch, I think this one's going to check tons of boxes for you today, especially if you're looking for a home with tons of curb appeal. So, this Addington, as it showcased today, is an 18-foot wide model by 62 feet long. That's including the 8-foot front porch, and it is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, right around 875 square feet to be exact, and I have it on sale today for $120K. $120,000, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And for those of you that love that curb appeal and come to Mr. Tiny and Recreational Resort Cottages because of that, this one right here is doing it justice. With the reserved white exterior base and trim, we've topped it with a rustic red metal roof, and we've added 2 large clear stories on the side of the home. Those tower dormers that you know and love and what make us so unique here at Recreational Resort Cottages. I think that gives tons of curb appeal and adds that cottage flair that everyone loves. But go ahead and follow me up onto this 8-foot porch. You'll see we have the white painted crow's foot and beam. As you see that we have with 8 feet of space, you're going to have the brown composite Trex decking. That's going to have another 30 years of warranty. This railing is going to be black metal. So again, maintenance free. You don't have to worry about that. We've gone ahead and thrown in 2 windows right up front to bring in some natural light, add some curb appeal to the front side of the home. And then we have the 36-inch blinds and glass front door. Now, we talk about this outside all day long, but this is what you came to see. Follow me inside the Addington. And I'll tell you right now, I had to put my glasses on because even the blind man can see that this home is a steal of a deal for $120,000. $120K, this 18-foot wide width is giving you tons of space to utilize no matter what your use is. So with that said, furniture placement, you have it all day long. Look at this. We have couch, love seat. You could easily put a sectional in here. You could do recliners. You could do a day bed. Well, futon, sofa bed. You have all sofa couch, bed, whatever you want to call it. You can do all of it here in this space with 18 feet to work with. And what I love is the fact that you have the windows and as well as the vaulted ceiling going right down the center that we do here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We get away from those flat ceilings. We're trying to open up and make that 875 square feet feel so much larger. And that's one of the ways that we do so today. You know that we have the ceiling fan centered, so you saw that. Also, you'll see that we have 3 transom windows here on this wall where you can easily bring in the natural light when you need it to. This is also depending on your furniture arrangement, because I know I got a lot of you comment warriors that say, where'd I put a TV? You got all these windows. Where's my TV go? Well, let me give you a couple options, my brother. Give you a couple options, my sister. You do not have to arrange your furniture like this. Of course, it's your house. Do with it as you please. But you can easily put a couch on this side, put some recliners here, and make this your TV wall. We've added your transoms high enough up the wall that you could put an entertainment center here, put your TV down low. Also, have you guys heard of a new trick out there, a new invention that they come out with called a mounted TV that could be on a swivel mount? I don't know, maybe it's just something that I heard of, but you have the space here. You could easily put one on this wall, have it right here. in the corner where it swivels out. Just an idea. So then you could leave furniture placement as is, still gives you an option there. Also, let's look around. You could do the same thing for this corner. Got some options there. Windows right up front. And then we'll take it to the opposite side of the living room where you have the 3 large windows. Again, bringing in that natural light right here with that clear story tower dormer. You'll see that we have the 3 transom windows up top, the 3 large windows down below that are opening windows, might I add. I know a lot of you sometimes do not like the picture windows, so we give you the, I would say, the look and the contrast of having a large window here in the living room, but you can have it open, so it is a functional window. Again, some clients may choose to want to place a horizontal outlet right there, and then you can, you know what, put a TV there. Again, just some ideas, ladies and gentlemen. Or you have the option on this wall here. I've given you about 4 or 5 different spaces that you could put a TV in here with all the windows. But then on top of that, for those of you that are still going to run to the comments and say, none of that works for me, Mr. Tiny, guess what? You can omit windows as well. Just because we put these in here doesn't mean you have to take them. So with that said, just take this window out of the center if you would like. Put TV right there. You could do without any of these windows right here. Just an idea. Just giving you some ideas that you can do here at Recreational Resort Cottages with Mr. Tiny. We do what we think looks nice, but you also have the option to add your little twist to it. So again, we work together. You asked for a 2-bedroom. Here I am showcasing one for you. So again, this is a bond and something that you're meant to live in for quite some time. A lot of times clients purchase from me and this is their forever home. So I want to make sure it's done the right way for you. With that said, let's talk about the acorn flooring going throughout this home. It's 18 feet wide and we have the acorn plank flooring going throughout. And I love the neutral tones because it goes with anything, any kind of decor you want to work with. You can utilize this acorn flooring and have it just blend perfectly. Also, look at this large island that separates the flow from the living room into the kitchen. You have the large area here. You have the U-shaped countertop and bar right there that's elevated. And then on the opposite side, you have your built-in 2-basin sink. You have additional cabinets down below and your dishwasher already built into the island for you. So again, you have some additional prep space low. We have the raised area there where you can easily put the stools, have a place to eat. If you do not want to utilize a dining table in one of these areas, you can do it right here. Also, speaking of cabinetry, let's look at how much cabinetry you have in this kitchen of the Addington. I went ahead and thrown in some white cabinets. We got the black bar pools, Logic gray backsplash running from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. And of course, all of these color hues from the backsplash, the cabinets, and the bar pools, you will see in this Calcutta marble countertop where you see the white, the black, the grays all mixed together. You know, we like to color coordinate around here. If this is your first time to the video, you'll find out relatively quickly. With that said, we also have black appliances in this model, smooth top electric oven. You can do propane gas if you prefer. We also have the microwave up above, additional storage around with your cabinetry, and look how much countertop space you have going on right here. We've got 5 drawers, 5 cabinets down low, and then we've given you all this additional space up top. And they are deep cabinetry as well. And let me show you something. Soft close just to put the cherry on top. So we've got that going right there for you. Over here, you'll have your side-by-side refrigerator with ice in the door, additional cabinetry up top. And again, we do finish out the top of our cabinets. So a lot of clients like to use that as decor space. Add your own personal flair to it. Right here behind me, you're going to have another window. I think, just throwing something out here, you can also place a small table here if you wanted to have a designated little eating nook. You can definitely have that there as well. And then we've added some natural light to lead you down the hallway as you make it to the first bedroom, which is going to be your guest bedroom. Also, a lot of my clients are utilizing this as an office space or just a space for guests as they need it, because they may only need a one bedroom, but just having this extra room here goes miles of way for them long term. So we've given you a window right here, of course, bringing in natural light. You have the nickel ceiling fan with the white blades sitting there going 90 to nothing as we speak. We also have your closet here, where you have additional space down below, your shelf and rod up top, so it'll give you an adequate amount of space there. Also, as we like to do, is the little things. You'll see here that we have the ceiling fan on adjustable speeds, as well as your on and off switch, so you have that there for your convenience. Then we'll make our way down the hallway. You see, all this room we have here makes it very easy, very accessible for any of you. We also have your electrical panel box here behind this cabinet door. It is a 200 amp electric service for a home this size. You have your second door here, which is going to be your exterior door that you are going to have that leads from the side of the home. If you come in, you get dirty out in the yard, come in, you can go right into the bathroom, where you follow me right in here. And this bathroom has it all. You'll see as soon as you come in, a great and luxurious Jack and Jill dual vanity, as some would say, sink and area here with the black fixtures to match the black bar pools down below. And I know you can't miss those LED mirrors just shining, and you can make sure you're on point. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I did that. So you have all of that area there to utilize. Also, as we come on down, great thing about the Addington floor plan is the fact that right here, you're going to have the double doors that lead into your side-by-side washer and dryer area. Yes, it's hidden in the bathroom, out of sight, out of mind, and you get side-by-side. You do not have to worry about the stackable units in the Addington model. You, of course, have your toilet, additional linen up above, and then we have your walk-in tile shower. We have your 60-inch tile shower here that is going to be finished out in the sand ivory tile that's going to be in a horizontal pattern. We've given you the transom window up above to, again, bring in some natural light. All the crown molding going around. And again, you guys know that I'm around 6'1", so you can see how much space that you have in this shower of the Addington. You go ahead and follow me back out, and I'll let you in on one more thing. Instead of using dead space, we don't like dead space around here. We have the area here for your built-in linen cabinets. Rather than having this dead space in the wall, Mr. Tiny said, throw some additional storage space in there. And again, ladies and gentlemen, it cannot be beat when you have the additional space. We're going the extra mile to make it happen for you. So go ahead, follow me down. And was I just talking about storage? I think I was. What am I giving you here? Another closet right here. And yes, closet, if you want to say it like that, I say closet, because the extra, the better. Whether you want to use it for your additional towels, whether you want to use it as a coat closet, whatever you want, you have the opportunity to do so. And as you come into the primary bedroom, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to have 18 feet of width here in this bedroom, where you have ample space to put whatever size bed that you choose. We have the ceiling fan there in the center. And what I love is the fact that, again, we kept the clear story and tower dormer area here. We've added 2 large windows down below, 2 transoms up top, and it just opens up this bedroom so much. And I love the fact that it makes it feel so much larger with the natural light. And again, not only is it a great feature from the interior, it looks really good from the exterior as well. And then right over here, you're going to have your double doors again that lead into your closet. And this closet is the limousine closet, where you're going to have enough space on either end for all of your shirts, coats, jeans, and shoes down below. Went ahead, Mr. Tiny likes his clothes, so I got to make sure I take care of y'all and give y'all some space as well. Right over here, opposite wall of what I call the bed wall, you would have already pre-prepped or a TV jack and outlet there. Again, that's just your preference. If you want to put it there or not. If not, you can put a nice picture or decor item over that, act like it never happened. With that said, this Addington is giving you so much space right here in this bedroom, and I think this is what's making it such a great model and kind of just adding that final check to your box to let you know this Addington may be the model for you. So follow me back through this lovely 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage. Again, sitting right around 875 square feet. You'll see the bathroom there. Looks great. As we come back through, you'll see you have your guest room right up front. So it's a good amount of space from the primary to the guest. So that way you get that added privacy as well. And then, of course, when you make it back out to the main area, it opens this floor plan up so much. So again, to recap, guys, this floor plan by the name of the Addington is 18 feet wide, 62 feet long, and that's including that 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $120K, $120,000, ladies and gentlemen. Where are you getting this type of quality 2025 year model for this home? So that's, again, I hear a lot of you all the time in middle of nowhere, Ville, USA. Oh, 120,000, I can get a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom home. First of all, let me see some receipts. Let me see some blueprints and seeing where they're building that at. Next, let me see the quality of the home that you're comparing to this right here. And last, what year was that home built in? Again, you're saying 6-bedroom, 6-bath. Was it built in 1942 and need 100 grand in renovations? Probably. But with that said, you're getting 2025 energy efficiency, double thermal pane windows, vapor barriers, radiant barriers. The list goes on, ladies and gentlemen. Just on the exterior, you have 30 years of warranty on this home for $120K, and it is a 2025, never before, brand new home. Again, I'm telling you, I don't think that can be beat when you do the comparison, apples to apples. So just had to throw that out and get off of my soapbox, but back to the plan. So I hope you guys love this video tour of the Addington. For any of you in the market for a 2-bedroom, or even some of you in the market for a 1-bedroom and just may like that extra bed, that may be an option for you. And if you did enjoy the Addington, please hit that thumbs up right now, that like button, and let it be known and show your support. Also, run down to the comment section and let me know what your favorite feature of the Addington was today. Was it the double tower dormers that we have in this model? Was it the 8-foot front porch? Was it the rustic red metal roof? You guys let me know so we can keep those things coming in the future. And also, please hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family. If you're not subscribed, please do so right now so you can see these type of homes as well as tiny homes and even larger multi-section homes each and every week. I'm sure I have something that you will enjoy. And if you're interested in purchasing this Addington or any other home that you've seen me showcase, you know what to do. Run on over to my Instagram or my TikTok right now. It's at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Addington as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.